to the Faculty of Economics BA Department and the magnanimous people of Emarticus. So I welcome you here today, and the weather is also very quiet today. So one thing I want to ask from all of you is, do you know or you can answer why we are here today? Anyone? No worries. I'll clarify. So, first of all, I'll give a brief introduction about Emarticus, what Emarticus is, and what are their pursuits. So, Emarticus is a learning platform, you would say, and they are actually bridging gap between the industry academics and the campus academics and the industry expectations. So we are here today for one accessibility test today, which is known as IELNET, Emarticus Learning National Employability Test. So what that test is gonna make you is, you can explore yourself where you stand today. So one thing is actually a very good thing that someone has told me. Things gonna happen in your life. One is by default and one is by your choice. So luckily we have Emarticus here for you all to giving a test and to upskill yourself by default. But I want you to make that choice so that you can shine brighter. And the biggest thing is, if I would ask you that what you gonna be in your life, what are your pursuits, what are your capabilities, and what are your personal likings. So would you be able to answer that? Yes or no? Yes? Anyone can say, what do you want to be in your life? What? UP police. Okay, very good. So she has one common goal for herself. So that is the very biggest thing, that she has explored herself, that she is capable of doing that, giving that examination. And the best thing is, everything starts from your willingness. And if there's a will, there's surely a way. So we are actually here as a Emartic your pursuits, and you can at least know your worth where you are standing. And if it's little less below, so that you can upgrade yourselves. And I'm actually very grateful that I personally got the opportunity from Emarticus, and you are also a very shining, brighting students of our college as well. So, here I rest my words. This is a brief introduction. We welcome you, open heart, and rest. Sir is giving the instructions.
If you want,
and
we
we'll
talk
guide.
about the test also.
So yes, we are actually here for IELNET test, first of all. So that IELNET test is conducted for finding out the ability, your ability, and you can examine yourself so that you can know that where you stand today, or what are the needs of the company. So there are some criteria which sir has discussed. It's some 70%, 85% or 90%. We have that criteria, and with that criteria you can know that where you stand. So we are not here to just judging you, we are not passing any judgmental, but the make best use of it, and you can find where you stand, and always feel worthy of yourself and find your pursuits. Thank you so much. Have a great learning.
Thank you so much for your kind words and such a lovely presentation also.